Get this video right. Oh snap, here we go. It's going down. Johnny Nevadas over here at Golden Owl Brewery. What is this right here? What do we got?
That is the short rib taco.
Short rib taco. Then we got some street corn, of course, over there. Is that pork belly on top?
You know it.
Oh man. All right, what we got over here?
That is the short rib tamales.
Okay. And oh, these look pretty
And then the
bright.
hidden secret are the wings.
They're the wings. What's all the white stuff? There's a cheese with like okay, some type of Mexican cheese. Yeah, okay. All right, appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
I'm just a former fan.
Oh yeah. Oh what?
I don't work on the truck.
Oh okay. So yo, but that's what's up, man. You gotta show some.
How's food?
I haven't tried it yet. I gotta get the visuals first. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Sid Retro, man. Foodies Network 727. We in the building right now. It's pouring down outside. You know what I'm saying? We over here at Golden Owl Brewery. You know what I mean? We checking out Johnny Nevadas, okay? Johnny Nevadas, they've been around for a little minute. You know what I'm saying? They invited us to come check them out. So let me show you guys what they got real quick. We got some tamales. Got some short rib tamales over here from Johnny Nevadas. Now, we also got some wings over here. These wings is looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? Got that cotija cheese on there. I think that's cotija cheese. I don't know. But it's looking real good over there. You know what I'm saying? We also got some short rib tacos over here. Short rib tacos. They looking official tissue. You know what I mean? The short rib tacos. They're looking good. I can't wait to these up right here. Now, we also got the street corn right here, guys. Y'all see that street corn? Put a little pork belly on top with the street corn. It's looking good. Got some hot sauce, too. But you know what, since we got the street corn in here, let's try the street corn real quick. See what's going on with this. Let's go, guys. Let's go, cheers. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the street corn with the pickled onions and that pork belly really sets that shit off, man. It's a little different than the normal street corn, and that's what I like about it. Solid spot. Solid street corn. Solid elote. Now let's get busy with the chicken wang wang. We got the chicken wing in the building. Let's see what's going on. We got that drum on deck. Let's go. Big bites. Oh yeah, these are good. These are really, really good, man. I think this got like chipotle or something in here. This is pretty smoky. This is really, really good, guys. I like this. Those wings are no joke. I do like those. I like those, man. Check those wings out. Those are really, really good. All right, what else we got? We got the tamale. Let's see what's going on with the short rib tamale. Let's go. See what they got. Folded the right way, you know what I'm saying? Do the unravel. Yo. You know what? I'm gonna leave it in there. Let's go. Let's take a bite of the tamale. Let's go. The tamales, the flavor is definitely there. But I just like my tamales a little bit done, a little bit more steamed, a little bit more than that, but the flavor is there. You know what I'm saying? So I would check the tamales out again, but I'll probably do them for a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Now we got this short rib. You know what I'm saying? The flavor in that tamale was crazy. This is the short rib taco right here. The star of the show. They say that they're famous for this short rib taco. They loaded it up with meat. So let's see what's going on with this short rib. Put a little sauce on here real quick. Let's get that little money shot. Bop, 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 bop. Let's go. Let's see what's going on, guys. Cheers. like that short rib taco. It's a lot of meat in there. That chipotle salsa sets it off. I like that, man. This is pretty good. You know what I mean? For being a short rib, almost like a carnitas type deal. But love the flavor on it. Very, very good. You gotta come check them out. The street corn is fire. Tacos are really, really good. The wings, super different flavor. I like the wings. You know what I mean? The tamales, those are probably, you know what I mean? That just need it a little bit longer. But other than that, everything is really, really good, man. Especially the wings. Yeah, the wings, everything's pretty solid, man. The way that the street corn hit with the fucking pork belly on that and the vinegar, the pickled onions on there, it really sets it off. I like the chipotle smokiness too. You know what I mean? Down here, we don't really have a lot of chipotle type, you know, stuff that's geared toward chipotle, you know, besides the restaurant. You know what I mean? So a lot of people aren't familiar that it's the actual smoky pepper. So I do like the way that they incorporate this in all of it, yo. These wings, they got that smoky chipotle flavor. Really, really dope. I like these. Out of all of this, I think the wings are number 1. These are number 2, and the street corn is number 3. Solid stuff, man. Come check out Johnny Nevadas. If you guys are in town, if you guys are next to the brewery, come check them out. It's worth the trip, man. But yo, guys, we out, man. Foodies Network 727. Peace.